Nyngkong jongka Dorbar Mangtyngka jongka Iing Dorbar Thawaiñ ka Jylla hakani kasi Thohdieng kala sakhi Jingkynthoh jongka Liang Pyrshah ban Shong hapoh Dorbar hakapor Kren ulat ka Jylla uTathagata roy kum kadak ban Pyrshah Jingkynthoh jong udang shen Paid Kashmir hadien ka jingshah hiar thma ki bor paharaha ha Pulwana nakaliang nongilam Liang Pyrshah Dr. Mukul sangma haba Kren bat kilat patai kubor loong ba katai ka Jingkren jong ulat ka Meghalaya hadien ba katai ka jingshah Kashmir kadai ka wamla satyaban priang Ulaong ru ba katay ka jingong jong ulan ban kerlut iki ki jingdi na Kashmir kamde satya kabayahap ni don nongrem shushu ulaong ru ba mentirang ba du kari uladai bunweng no ya ulat na du katay hi kasngi ka ba penmi ya kitay ki jingkren namar kum ubri bobat hakli do ya kam riti sensar kalong kabamla satya ban priang.
We are with heavy heart we would like to share our agony and anger in respect of the narrative that was generated by the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, uTathagata. You must have seen his tweet, the 19th February, where immediately after the incident in Kashmir, he tweeted saying that all the Kashmiri goods should be boycotted. People should not visit Kashmir. Does it augur well for the nation when a person who is holding a constitutional post, not less than the governor of a state, can engage in this kind of message which is capable of creating a rift amongst the citizens of the nation? We have seen what has happened immediately after the incident in Kashmir. Lots of lynching were happening across the nation against Kashmiris, and that was the time when our governor of Meghalaya tweeted this. When there is a terrorist attack there, the nation's fight is against the terrorist, not against the community or the people. It's very clear. Now, will such people like the governor of Meghalaya, if there is an event of any terrorist attack in the northeast, tell the country that now boycott northeast, boycott the goods of northeast? This is the kind of people who are dividing the nation and trying to give further to the anti-national forces. And therefore, in order to send a strong message, because such an important thing which has happened, no media has picked up, no national media has even picked up this issue and generated any debate. If I would say that immediately after this tweet, the Prime Minister should have pulled up the governor, he should have been removed from the office in the best interest of the nation, to send a strong message and to vindicate what he said to the country, to the nation, कि हमारा youth उग्रवादी का खिलाफ है, कश्मीरियों का साथ नहीं. So friends, that's why the CLP has decided that we boycott the governor's address.